So good morning, class 7 children. Today we'll revise chapter number 14, electric current and its effects. So first of all, let's check the MCQs. Question number 1 is when an electric current flows through a copper wire AB as shown in the figure, the wire, kindly read the options, deflect the magnetic needle placed near it, becomes red hot, gives electric shock, and one more option is there, that behaves like a fuse. So yes, Vansh Sharma, you have raised hand. Children, you may raise hand,
Yes,
everyone.
ma'am. Ma'am, deflects a magnetic needle placed near it.
Can I have the answer why it is so? Reason for it. Your answer is correct, A part. But what's
Ma'am,
a
ma'am, because ma'am, when an electric circuit flows through an
electric
because
current
an
flows?
electric current flows through a copper wire, so ma'am, it will have some current. So ma'am, the reason is ma'am, a current carrying wire acts as a magnetic with a magnetic field.
Okay, so current carrying wire act as a that means it start behaving like a magnet, and when it start behaving like a magnet, it can deflect the magnetic needle. So let's see the answer. Here's the first A option is correct. Number 2, choose the statement which is not correct in case of the electric fuse. Which is not correct? First option is fuses are inserted in electric circuit of all the buildings. Next, so kindly read the instructions. Number A, B, C, D, and tell the right option. Kindly raise hand. There is a maximum limit on the current which can safely flow through the electric circuit. Minimum limit, and fourth is if the proper fuse is inserted in the circuit, it will blow off if the current exceeds the safe limit. Kindly raise your hand, children, and switch on your cameras, those who have not. Yes, Mahi has raised hand. Yes, Mahi. Mahi, give the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, D option is correct. If a proper fuse is inserted in a
Beta
circuit, it
C option is correct because there is a minimum limit on the current which can safely flow in the circuit. Why we add? So आपको बताना है कौन सी स्टेटमेंट फ्यूज के लिए ट्रू नहीं है. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट ट्रू.
okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, आपने उल्टा बता दिया. दिस इज ट्रू फॉर द, आप हमें बताना है कौन सी स्टेटमेंट ट्रू नहीं है. दैट वी नीड टू टेल. ओके, नेक्स्ट कम्स 3 bulbs A, B, C are connected in the circuit as shown in figure. When the switch is on, so the options are in front of you. Kindly raise hand. C will glow first. Both B and C will glow simultaneously. After that, all the bulbs A, B, and C will glow at the same time. Kindly raise hand, children. Yes, Nabil.
Ma'am, C option.
C option is correct. That
All the bulbs
according to you, that all the bulbs A, B, C will glow at the same time. Okay, good. So these are the right option. All the bulb will glow at the same rate, same time. Next is when a switch is in on position, then what will happen? Switch is in the off position. Then circuit starting from the positive terminal of the cell stop. Circuit is open. No current flows. Current flows after some time. So what we say when the switch is in off position? Yes, Lavish.
No, ma'am, C option, no current flows through it.
ओके, सो बेटा आपको पास ये भी ऑप्शंस हैं. These are the options which now you can give the answer.
Ma'am, B option.
Which one?
Ma'am, B.
Which
Second
one?
one.
Vedika, you tell which option is true.
Ma'am, B option.
Okay, B option is true for it, children. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am. B option.
B option में हमारे पास क्या है? Second and third are correct. So second is the circuit is open and third is no current is flowing. You know, when the switch is off position, we say that no current is flowing. It is an open circuit. Next, which of the following precautions need not to be taken while using electric gadget? Need not to be taken. So take care while giving the answer, which is not required. We should never touch our lighted electric bulb. We should never experiment with the electric supply from the mains. We should never use just any wire or a strip of metal. We should never turn the switch in on position. So precautions not to be taken. What can be the answer for it? Kindly raise hand. Precautions.
We should never touch the switch in on position.
Okay, means according to you, D is correct. So yes, D question is correct. Next, now the question answer is very short. Which property of conducting wire is utilized in making electric fuse? You know, in electric fuse, we use the wire. Which type of wire we use?
A metal one.
Yes, Vansh, and rest can also raise hand, children.
Ma'am, we can use nichrome wire.
Okay, nichrome wire. And why we use a nichrome wire only?
Ma'am, because ma'am, they have a high melting point.
No. Can anybody rectify?
Ma'am, because it has, ma'am, because it have the low melting point.
Yes, but a nichrome wire we are using, but it has low melting point. If the melting point will be lower, only then we can, what we can do? If the melting point is lower, then the fuse wire will melt easily. Next, name the device used these days in place of electric fuses in electric circuits. Kindly raise hand. What we are using in place of electric fuse? Tell. In place of electric fuse, what we are using? Yes, Vedika.
Ma'am, MCBs.
Yes, full form of MCB is?
Miniature circuit breaker.
Yes, nowadays we are using miniature circuit breaker, MCBs, instead of fuses. Next, filling the blanks. Our body is a dash conductor, dash of electricity.
Conductor.
I'm good
Conductor of
conductor.
Of electricity. Okay. Number 2, kindly raise hand before giving the answer, children. An electric cell produces electricity from the dash in it. Avishi?
Chemicals.
Chemicals present in it. You know, in electric cell, the chemicals are present. In an electric circuit, a fuse is a dash to prevent possible fire.
Fuse is a circuit breaker.
Fuse is a circuit breaker or safety device to prevent possible fire. A combination of 2 or more cell is known as
Battery.
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 So children, in question number 3, we can write down, in an electric circuit, a fuse is a safety device, we may say. It's a safety device. Now, these are the unjumbled word.
First word is battery.
Okay, first is battery. Second is?
Ma'am, second is fuse.
Fuse.
Okay.
Fuse.
Second is fuse.
Fuse. Number 3 is?
I'm torch.
Torch. Number 3 is torch and number 4 is?
Switch.
I'm switch.
Let's check the answer. Battery, fuse, torch, and switch. Okay, these are the unjumbled words. Next. 10th question is Paheli does not have a night lamp in her room. She covered the bulb of her room with a towel in night to get the dim light. Has she taken the right step? Give one reason to justify your answer. Is it the right way that she has covered it with the towel?
No.
It's not the right way. Okay, but better you have to give the answer that why you think it's not a right way.
Because due to heating effect of electric current, the
Hmm.
bulb gets heated too much overnight and the
Yes.
towel gets heated also.
Okay, very
it
good.
is, so towel gets catch the fire also. So this is not right reason.
Okay. So towel may burn due to the heat produced by the bulb. You know that bulb produces the heat as well as light. So it will also result in the wastage of electric energy. Okay. Wastage of electric energy and this may burn due to the heat produced by the bulb. Next question is, why are compact fluorescent lamps preferred over the electric bulbs? What's the reason behind it? Why CFLs? आपने देखा होगा घर में भी आजकल हम क्या यूज करते हैं? We use CFLs over the
Ma'am,
electric.
can I tell?
use less
Kindly raise hand. Yes, Lavish, tell. You need to raise hand.
Okay, ma'am. An electric bulb is used for light, but it also gives heat. This is not desirable. This results in the wastage of electricity. This wastage can be reduced by using fluorescent tube light CFLs in place of the bulbs. CFLs are also used to reduce wastage of electricity.
Okay.
These are compact
So-
fluorescent lamps.
Compact
These
fluorescent
can
lamps, and moreover, in the simplest word, we can say they do not waste energy. Okay, that energy savers, electricity savers these are. Next is, and why is an electric fuse required in all electrical appliances? Why we are using electrical fuses? Just we have discussed. Yes, Avishi.
Ma'am, because they act as a safety device and limits the current in a circuit.
Okay, they limits the current and they are the safety devices. They protect our electrical appliances. Next, question number 13. Can we use the same fuse in a geyser and a television set? Same fuse can be used everywhere. Think and tell. Can we use the same fuse, children? Means in the TV also and in the geyser also. Think and give me the answer. Kindly raise hand. Is it possible to use means the same fuse? Anyone? No, children, we can't use because each set requires different amount of the current. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
The amount of current required by the geyser and the television is totally different. So that's why we can't use the same fuse in both. See, and we have two devices for each. Heating effect of current that we use in geyser, and in this TV, we use the magnetic effect of current like electric bells, cranes, etc. So there is a difference between it. Next, question number 15. Why do we cover plug pinholes which are within the reach of the children with sellotape or a plastic cover? Have you seen, children? The plug, the hole, 3 pin, the holes are covered with the plastic. जिनके घरों में छोटे बच्चे हैं, we cover that with the cello tape or with the plastic cover. Why it is so? I think you must have seen at your home if the small children are
To
there.
prevent children from getting an electric shock.
Because what the children do, children what they do, they put the fingers in that hole.
Ma'am,
and due to that the
Ma'am,
children may
that
get
is-
electric shock. Okay? Because we covered it with, because cellotape and plastic are the poor conductor and they
Insulator.
will, yes, they are the poor conductor, insulator, they will protect the child from getting an electric shock. Okay. Next is Bujo made an electromagnet by winding 50 turns of wire over an iron screw. 50 turns he had made. Paheli also made an electromagnet by winding 100 turns over a similar iron screw. Which electromagnet will attract more pins? Kindly raise hand. Divyanshu Pratap Singh. Got the question? Two separate electromagnets had made, one with the 50 turns of copper wire, and means 50 turns has been wind on it, and second is 100 turns. Which will be the strong? Nabil?
Paheli.
Ma'am, Paheli.
Ma'am, Paheli.
आप ऐसे आंसर दोगे कि the
Ma'am,
electromagnet,
Paheli electromagnet will attract more pins as it has more number of turns of wire on it,
Yes.
and thus a stronger electromagnet will attack.
yes, so it will behave like a strongest magnet because the number of turns are more. Kindly read question number 17. Your teacher has shown you the following activity. Activity kya thi? The teacher has found a long insulated piece of wire around an iron nail in the form of a coil. Free ends of wire are connected to a cell through a switch. As shown, the current is switched on and some pins are placed near the end of the nail. So write down any three questions that will come in your mind about this activity. I think you all are familiar with this kind of activity. Already we have discussed this activity. So what we can think about this activity? Yes, children, tell me fast. Children, these questions may be in your mind. That why does the nail attract the pins? What will happen if we connect more cells in the circuit? What will happen if we have some? So these questions may arise in your mind. Okay. So let's go for the next part. Question number 18. Kindly read this question. Question number 18. Paheli took a wire of length 10 centimeter as shown in the figure, and Bujo took a wire of 5 centimeter of same material thickness. Both of them connected the wires in shown as shown in this figure. Got it? Cell is there, then the switch is off. Switch is on the on position. Then what will happen? Will the heat produced in both the cases will be equal? Second, will the heat produced will be same if the wires taken by them are of equal length but of different thickness? So tell what to do. So heat produced in wire, length of the wire is different. One is 10 centimeter and another is a 5 centimeter. So you may tell the heat produced in both the wires will be same. Tell first, what do you think? Yes or no? If there is a difference in the lengths, then the current produced should be different. What do you think?
Different.
Yes, no. So it will not be same. Because length, heat produced depend upon the length of the wire also. और सेकंड क्वेश्चन क्या आपके पास, will the heat produced be the same if the wire taken by them are of equal length but of different thickness. अब सेकंड केस में क्या किया है हमने, we have taken the wire of same length but thickness of different, then what will happen, same amount of the heat will be produced.
No.
Then 2, yes, again the heat produced in the wires, that also depends upon the thickness of the
Depends on the
wire.
thickness of the wire.
So that's why we, in both the cases,
The heat is not produced equal.
yes, in both the cases, if we are changing the thickness of the wire and if we are changing the length of the wire, so in both the cases the heat produced will be different. So in the next question, children, it's very important. How does the magnetic effect of electric current, working of electric bell? And you have to explain. I'm just showing you this question. And diagram, you can draw this diagram. So if you are having a book and notebook in your hands, I want each one of you to draw this diagram. Hurry up, children.